The Maldives. Just the name conjures images of pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and luxurious overwater bungalows. This tropical paradise scattered across the Indian Ocean is more than just a pretty picture. It's a destination that promises an unforgettable escape for every traveler. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves lapping at your doorstep. Picture yourself strolling along powdery white sand beaches, the warm sun kissing your skin. Envision diving into vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. The Maldives is a place where you can indulge in ultimate relaxation, embark on thrilling adventures, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, the Maldives has something special in store for you. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to experience the magic of the Maldives. Trust me, it's even more breathtaking in person. With over 1,000 islands to choose from, each more stunning than the last, deciding where to go in the Maldives can be an adventure in itself. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you to some of the most captivating destinations this island nation has to offer. First up, we have Male, the vibrant capital city. Immerse yourself in the local culture at the bustling fish market, and explore the historical sites like the Hukuru Miski Mosque. For a luxurious escape, head to North Male Atoll, home to world-renowned resorts with overwater bungalows and unparalleled service. Looking for a quieter retreat? The secluded islands of South Male Atoll offer pristine beaches, tranquil lagoons, and exceptional diving opportunities. If you're a surfer chasing the perfect wave, head to the North Male Atoll and experience the thrill of riding the Maldivian waves. No matter which island you choose, prepare to be captivated by the Maldives' natural beauty and unique charm. Each destination offers a different perspective on this paradise on Earth. While the beaches of the Maldives are undeniably alluring, the true magic lies beneath the surface of the turquoise waters. Get ready to dive into an underwater wonderland teeming with vibrant coral reefs, playful marine life, and unforgettable experiences. Snorkeling in the Maldives is a must-do. Grab your mask and fins and explore the shallow reefs where you'll encounter colorful fish, graceful rays, and maybe even a curious sea turtle. For a more immersive experience, try scuba diving. Explore shipwrecks teeming with marine life, swim alongside gentle whale sharks, and marvel at the intricate beauty of the coral gardens. Back on land, indulge in water sports like kayaking, windsurfing, and paddleboarding, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the sun. Ready to pack your bags and experience the magic of the Maldives firsthand? Here are a few tips to help you plan your dream trip. The best time to visit the Maldives is during the dry season, from November to April, for sunshine and calm seas. For budget travelers, consider visiting during the off-season, from May to October, when you can find great deals on accommodations and flights. When it comes to cultural etiquette, remember that the Maldives is a Muslim country. Dress modestly when visiting local islands and be mindful of local customs. Lastly, pack light, breathable clothing, swimwear, sunscreen, and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. The Maldives is a destination that will leave you breathless with its beauty, adventure, and tranquility. So start planning your trip today and create memories that will last a lifetime.